I'm just drilling my gnomes at the bottom. I'm doing it in greenware, and I'll probably do it again during bisque. I'm drilling the hole so that the wine stopper, the little screw that goes in, actually fits in here, because it's very hard to drill when it's at the fully glazed stage. So I'll do it now and then double check it when it's bisqued as well. So this is what I do. Make sure you hold it nice so it doesn't like spin on me. And what I've done, I've got the drill bit, I've got the size that I know I need, and I've put a bit of tape so I know that it needs to be that deep. It needs to be that deep for that screw to fit in properly. I've worked all this out already. So here it goes. Simple. There you go. Goes up until where the tape is. And now I know that my little wine stopper will fit in there. I'll double check it again after bisque, but it should be perfectly fine. Just all these little tips I'm giving you as I go along. Just a small video, but there it is. I hope you learned something today. And just one more quick thing. For anyone who says, oh, why don't you wear a mask, blah, blah, blah. I am wearing a mask. I am just doing this once to show you I can't talk through a mask so that you can hear me properly. So yes, I do wear a mask for protection. I just wanted to show you quickly before someone gives me a hard time and I'm sharing things without being protective and blah, blah, blah. I am. But this was for a 2-second thing to just show you and explain to you. I just had to get that out there because I know people go crazy about safety first, and I agree, safety first. So yes, I do wear a mask, but this is purely a few-second video to show you. Just to let you know, just... if you enjoyed that video, that quick little video and a little tip in my studio, please follow along. Let me know that you liked it. Subscribe, follow, like, comment. Remember, nice comments. The whole truth. You know how it goes, the usual stuff that they always ask us to ask you. And if you learned something, let's carry on the journey and keep going. Cheers.